Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by reading the passage and prompt carefully. Identify exactly what you must analyze and why it matters. Once done, mark the thesis or controlling idea and underline the strongest quote or phrase that supports it. Make quick margin notes about tone and a specific device, like imagery or irony, so you have clear evidence to use. Do this now to convert vague impressions into concrete points you can develop in the paragraph. You craft a tight topic sentence that states one clear claim connecting the thesis to your chosen evidence. Then introduce the quote briefly and explain precisely how the device creates meaning. Show cause and effect, not just label the technique. Make sure to analyze words, connotations, or syntax, and weave the quote into your sentence so the transition is smooth. Once you have a full claim evidence analysis cycle, you can move to deepen the implication. You finish by synthesizing your analysis. Restate how the evidence supports the central claim and link it back to the prompt in one or two concise sentences. Avoid introducing new quotes. Instead, highlight the consequence or larger implication of your point. If you find the paragraph weak or unclear, troubleshoot by rereading the marked quote and rewriting the analysis as a simple device causes effect sentence. Then expand that into fluent explanation and polish word choice and transitions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.